Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to download Venmo app on your device. So as we all know that Venmo is a mobile payment app owned by a people that lets us quickly send and receive money with friends. So it designed special for splitting bills, paying friends, or cashing out small amounts, often with the social elements like notes, emoji, who paid whom built-in features. So this app is available to users in the US. So you need a US phone number, bank, or card, and includes features like linking your bank, debit, credit card, or wallet balance, and a transaction fee. It's kinds of features. So to download the app Venmo, and you need to follow a few steps. Get started. First, you need to go to App Store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and download the app accordingly. So after visiting to the App Store, there you can see the first homepage of this App Store, and at the very bottom right of this page there is the option like search icon. After tapping on the search icon bar, here you need to search the app Venmo. So now here you can see the app Venmo on a device. So to get this app, you need to tap on the option Get, which is highlighted in color blue. So tap on the option Get, and to download the app you just need to double click to install the app. So that's how your app Venmo is downloaded on a device. Within a very few seconds your app will be visible and available on your device. So that's how you can just download the app and explore its amazing features. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. So if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.